Hello guys, today I'm really excited for showing you this product that I received, that it's a multifunctional ultrasonic cleaner. And well, I like this product because really you can clean many things. For example, I like to clean my earrings, I like to clean my bracelet. Also, you can clean your watch, or for example the head of the toothbrush, you can clean it here. And dentures, well, so I'm going to open it, I'm going to be showing you what's inside, and I hope you like it. Okay, the first thing, when you open it, we can see the product. Okay, it's just this thing, and well, I like it because it's very easy to use it. And we open it, and well, you can use it for like mini h's. It's just the connection and there's one to close it, and that's it. Okay guys, like you can see there, it's the sign of the maximum of water it can has. So I'm going to be putting a little bit of water, and then I'm going to put just a little bit of soap inside. Okay, just to it works perfectly. And I want to show you, and that you look how dirty they are, my earrings. Okay, just look inside, look that part, it's super dirty. So I'm just going to put one first, because I want to show you like the before and the after. Okay, like you can see they are super dirty. And also this one. Okay, so I'm going to be putting just one so that you can see how it works, this product. Okay, now when you put your things inside, you just put this one to close it. And here it has a little bottom where you can just one time, and it's because it has a little bit of sound. Okay, and it has three different modes. Just with one touch, you can change it. One, two, and the third one, and then you turn it off. Okay, so I'm going to leave it there, and I'm going to show you. Okay guys, I already take them off, and well, I want to show you how clean they are. Really, if you can see, it's super different. Look, this one. And well, these ones are the after, and look, this one that it's the before. Look how dirty it is. Oh my god, it is also like green inside. So do you remember the before of these ones? They were super dirty. And obviously we can see there, like in that part, all the like the dirty it has. My earrings, also that ones, let me take them off. The first one and the second one, and look how beautiful they are. Look that part, they are super clean. But well, these ones are the best thing, because like you can see here, you can see there the difference. So I hope you like the product. And well, the best part of this thing, it's that the waves clean very well, and it's very easy to use it just with one thing. So this product, you can use it just clicking one time. So I think it's perfect for any age you want to use it.